Hey everyone. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the granny square so we can have a wee look at working from the centre out. So I've got two colours of wool. I'm going to do a slip knot, put that on the hook, and I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a slip stitch will connect those two together. There we go. So usually when we're doing a beginner's class, I'll put a wee stitch marker in there because it's quite easy to put it into the wrong place. You can start to work into the wrong space. So it's the big space right in the middle of that chain circle. Okay, so we're going to chain out from here 3. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and then I'm going to start doing my trebles. So this is a fake treble that's worth 3, and then we go through here. Okay, it's a full treble, 2 and 2. Okay, so there's a fake treble and a real treble. Yarn over, through there, yarn over, 2 and 2. Okay, so the pattern for the granny square tends to be 3 all the way around. This is the good side, that's the not so good side. The puffier side is best. Okay, 2 at the corner, 2 chain, 1, 2. That helps me turn round. Yarn over, 3 trebles into this circle, 2 and 2. Yarn over, 2, 2. Now watch that wee tail, don't get that stuck in the mix. There we go. So I've got 2 parts of the inner row, 1, 2 at the corners, 3 trebles. One more. It's easy to do too many and not enough, so always count 1, 2, 3. 2 chain, 1, 2, and we're nearly back. We're going to go in here. One, 2, and then we're going to count into the chain. So we've got 1, 2, 3 into the top, and it's a slip stitch to connect that. Okay, so that's the first row, and I'm going to cut that and pull it through and then start another colour, but I don't have scissors, so we'll just need to pretend that's cut and pulled through. We'll start the other colour. I don't know if this will work, but anyway. Okay, so this is this row, second row, and it's just to show you how to add the next colour. Slip knot. Okay, so it doesn't really matter what corner you go into, doesn't really. Okay, So we're going to chain 3. Try to pick that up at the back. Okay. So that's a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. I didn't count the slip stitch. Okay. Into this corner now. So I've got a fake treble and 2 real trebles. That's going to take that row there. It's part of that row. 1, 2. I'm going to do another one in there. Another block of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's a corner. And then we're going to go straight across, yarn over into the next one. 3 treble. Okay, and I need to turn the corner, so I'm going to do 1, 2. It's getting a bit mangled. Just open it up. 3 treble. Okay, so you can see how that works. So you've got 3, 2, 3 in each of these, and then straight across, yarn over and in. It's all the same. Oops, did I go into the wrong one there? Look at that. Oh gosh, what a ankle. What not to do. Oh no, it's right enough. There we go. I need to do 2 to turn the corner. 1, 2. And then straight over. That might unravel because it's not been finished off right, but anyway. You can see where I'm going there, okay? So it's kind of like, it's radial symmetry. 3, 2, 3 is the pattern. And then you just go around there and then you would attach 1, 2, 3 chain and slip stitch it. And then 1, 2, 3 out from there and all the way around. But then you'd be going into this extra one. Okay, you'd have 3 treble in there. So the first row works into that circle, the second row works into the corners, and then the third row you've got the corners and a middle one, and in these you get more of these middle ones. These spaces in here expand here and here. The bigger your rows get, the more of those you get, and then it's always 2 chain to get round a corner, and that's a granny square.